In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Wix, quick and easy. Showing real customer feedback on your site builds trust and boosts conversions, and Wix makes it simple. Start by opening the Wix website editor for the site you want to update and head to the page where you want your reviews to appear. It can be your home page, a product page, or a dedicated testimonials page, wherever visitors will naturally look for social proof. Next, open the Add panel on the left side of the editor and choose Strip. A strip is a full-width section that helps your reviews look clean and consistent on every screen size. Within the strip options, go to the Testimonials category. This is where Wix keeps professionally designed review sections, complete with text, images, and star ratings that you can later tailor to your brand. Pick a testimonials layout you like and add it to the page. The editor may show highlighted areas to confirm placement or style. Simply click the highlighted prompts as they appear to drop the section into your design. If you're asked to interact with the strip itself, click the strip to reveal its settings and design controls. These controls let you adjust things like background, spacing, and layout so the reviews fit naturally with the rest of your page. As soon as the testimonials strip is on the canvas, you'll see it in context with your other content. Keep your page structure in mind. Placing reviews near key calls to action, such as add to cart or contact, often improves results. You can lightly adjust the strip's size or position if needed so it aligns with your existing sections and doesn't overwhelm the page. When it comes to content, plan short, specific quotes that highlight outcomes, service quality, or unique features. Keep names and details respectful of privacy, and avoid sharing any sensitive information. If you're just starting out, use the template's placeholder content as a guide while you collect genuine reviews. Consistency matters. Match fonts, colors, and star styles with your brand for a cohesive look. Before going live, take a moment to glance over spacing and readability. Make sure the text is large enough, contrast is accessible, and the section feels balanced. If a prompt appears to open additional strip options, click the strip again to confirm your choices. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish to push the updates to your live site. That's it. Your review section is now active and ready to build credibility with every visit. Thanks for watching.